In this video, I am going to introduce you to a new crypto network. Not probably new, but it has a long way to go. So you can join right away. So we are going to mine this in the Telegram app. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's get into it. My name is Yescoin Crypto of SaaS Media Studio. On this channel, we create lessons relating to affiliate marketing, making passive money online, cryptocurrency, and also cold email marketing. So if you want this kind of content, just hit the subscribe button. All right. So now let's get into it. All right. So now this is the Yescoin bot. Okay. So now all you have to do is check the description, okay, and also the first comment. You are going to see a link. Just click on the link and you'll be redirected to the bot on Telegram. You should have Telegram installed on your mobile phone or on your PC. For me, I am using it on my PC. Okay, so if you have a phone, you can do it. So now just click on the link like that and the bot is going to open in your Telegram app. All right, so yes, I am going to the bot here and this is it. So you can see I invited you. Okay, so Yescoin gift, and you are going to get a gift when you click on that link. Okay, so if you go and you search for the bot itself, you are not going to get any bonus, but when you click on the link at the description and also the first comment, and also it's also in my Telegram channel, all right, then you are going to get a gift, a bonus. All right, so all you have to do is just click on the open of the bonus and you can see, yes friend, you get an award which is 162,000 plus Yescoin. Okay, just have to click on the play Yescoin. All right, so you can see welcome to Yescoin. Okay, so all you have to do is how to play. So swap to the left, swap the screen to collect coins, get surprises. So you'll be using your fingers to be doing this, okay, to go left, right, go left, right, go left and right on the screen to be claiming the Yescoin. If you are using computer, you just have to use your pointer on the screen just like that to claim your Yescoin. You can also upgrade. Okay, so that is it. So scroll down and click on start playing. All right, so now you can see swap your finger to get Yescoin. So you just have to be doing this. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so join our community to earn 100k. Okay, so join our community. So when you join their Telegram channel, you are going to get 100k of Yescoin. So when you follow them on X, you are going to get 100k of Yescoin. When you join their Telegram group, you are going to get 100k. Okay, so we are going to do this task now. So I'm going to click on the first one. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to join their Telegram channel. All right, then back to it. So this is it. All right, so I'm done. You can see it has been checked, and when you check here, I have 200k plus, right? So the next one is to follow their X account. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so that is it. Yes, I have followed here. All right, yes, because I have a different account on Yes. Okay. All right, so you can see that this has also been checked. Okay, so I'm just using a different account to show you how to go about the Yescoin. All right, so the next one is to join their Telegram group. So just click on that and click on join group, and that's all. Go back and that's all. Okay, so you can see we have collected 300k Yescoins. So back to game. So you can see at this top we are 462,589 Yescoin. Okay, you can just be hovering. Okay, you can just be hovering. Okay, just is it. Just be hovering, just be hovering, just be hovering. So this is a bonus thing. Okay, you can see I am getting 2 plus Yescoin. So I'll just be just like that. Okay, yes, okay, that is it. So now when you come to the boost section, if you want to get more Yescoins, you come to the boost section. So we have the full recovery and you have the chest. You have the chest, right? The chest is when you want to increase your claiming speed. So what is going to happen is that you can see that when I swap on one coin, I get only one. Okay, you can see one, 111, you understand? But if I want to get times 2 of what I get when I clean or I claim 1 coin. Okay, so right now I claim 1 coin for 1. Okay, so if I want to get times 2, I have to just use the chest, okay, so this is so also the chest. Okay, just hover on the chest, and like this you can see it has turned into 2 now. Okay, when I swap on a coin I get 2, you understand? So you make sure you swap, you claim as many as you can till it gets completed. All right, so that is it. Back to the boost. So now let's go back, so you can see that this, okay, I'm going to claim. You can see whenever I swap on the coin, then this number is also reducing. Okay, just like that, and it is reducing and adding up to this my total yes coin, you understand? Back again, so I'm going to just keep swapping. So when you swap, so this number gets finished, what you are going to do is go back to the boost section, then you click on the full recovery. So when I click on the full recovery, you have 3 every day. All right, so go back, you can see it has come to 4,000. Okay, and still this is where it is, right? So back to the boost section, so you have 3 chests to use, you have full recovery, 3 full recovery to use every single day, you understand? Yes, and we have the multi value. This multi value, you see, when I click on 1 coin, or when I swap on 1 coin, I get only 1. But what about if I swap and I want to get more than 1? When I click on the multi value over here, I am going to be charged 200 of Yescoin. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 to what I get when I click on swap. So just click on level up over here. So right now when I go back to this, and when I swap on a coin, I am going to get 2. Okay, so when I swap, you can see it's now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, just like that. Okay, 2. So when I 2, so I can keep on increasing it. The 500, I'll get 3. 1k, I'll get 4. 3k, I'll get 5. 8k, 19k. So you will be using all your distance. So whenever you level up, it will decrease from your main balance. Okay, and you are just going to buy it. Okay, you are just buying it. So level up just like that. So when I go back and when I swap on one of the coin, I get 8. Now you can see 8, 8, 8. So that means I can just claim a lot. Okay, a lot, you understand? So now when I click on boost and I click on the chest, I should be getting 16 when I swap. So 16, okay, when I swap on this. So when I swap on this, you can see I should be getting 16 on each of the coin. Okay, so that is it. So you can buy more boosters to boost your earnings. You can buy more boosters to boost your earnings. All right, so when I click on boosters over here, so you have the fill rate. So when this gets finished, okay, when I stop claiming, it will start filling. Okay, so 2, it is adding 2. What about if I want to increase the speed of the filling? I'll just come to the boost, then click on the fill rate. Okay, then click on, so increase coin fill speed by 1 per second. Okay, so I can just click on that to increase it, add more. So now when I come back here, the fill rate is now 5. Okay, so 5, you understand? So that is it. So now you can also invite people to get more yes coins. When I click on the friends over here, okay, so you click on send invite. Okay, then you have to share or you copy your invite code. So I'm going to click on share over here. All right, so this is it. So this is your referral link. So you are going to just send this to your friends and they are going to join, and you are going to get this yes coin. All right, so back to the yes coin. Okay, I'm going to open the app again. So yes, that is it. So now when I click the end section, you can be doing task to get more yes coin. So just click on end over here. Okay, so now you can see up to silver. Okay, so which is 10 plus. Okay, 10k plus, and we have the yes coin hero retweet post. Okay, so and this is yes universe retweet post, and there is more here. this side, so you can visit Binance and you get 200k. You can claim VETU. So I'll make a video on VETU. All right, so just stick around. So I'm just going to click on the visit the Binance. I'm going to visit Binance to get my free Yescoin. All right, so I visited it. Back to the bot, so you can see it has been checked. All right, so when I go back, you can see I am now having 500k. You understand? So you can do more. You can join any squad. Okay, you can join any squad. You can join the NOTCOIN squad, NOTCOIN community squad. You can also join the Yescoin. Okay, and join this squad. It's not really necessary, but you can join it. All right, so that is it. So this is all about the Yescoin. So if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you want more airdrops or more crypto networks to join. Okay, and also if you want more crypto news and updates, all you have to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so that is it. So concerning the withdrawal, this Yescoin has not been listed. So when it get listed or when the date is out, I am going to make an update video on that. So just stick around